Hey, what's going on? Josh here from the DeFi guys. Welcome back to another video. Today I want to give you guys an update on my passive income crypto portfolio. We're up to over $2,000 per day in passive crypto income. So if you're excited to learn about what I'm doing to create this income, go ahead, like this video, subscribe to the channel, because on this channel we focus specifically on crypto passive income and DeFi projects in the decentralized finance space. So go ahead, like the video, drop the subscribe, and go ahead and tick that bell icon to be notified of all future videos that we upload when we upload them. So in this video, I'm going to show you a few different projects. There's 3 projects that I'm focused on specifically that's helping me make crypto passive income. And this is great, especially during a bear or a bull market, even more so a bear market. Now, a lot of people were touting that we were going into a bear market. Now the market somewhat recovered. If we go over to coinmarketcap.com, we can see we're up a little bit over yesterday. We're back to 49,000. I think this went as low as 46,000 this last week. Ethereum holding strong right around $4,000. So things are looking good, but people still fear that we might be going and heading into a bear market direction. And so you want a strategy for that. You want to make sure that you're making money in crypto, whether things are good or things are going sideways or things are bad. That's why before all this happened, I made sure, and it's still not too late, that I got into passive income DeFi projects, because that's where people go when the market is going down, when the market is crashing, because they can stake their funds and they can earn passive interest, passive income. So this first one here is known as Drip Network. And by the way, I'm going to be giving away $100 in Drip to the people that comment and engage with this video, okay? But you have to meet the criteria of commenting below, engaging with this video, add to the content within this video, think of something thoughtful, and then of course like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tick that bell icon. If you do those things, then you'll be entered, and I'm going to pick the last comment. Yes, at the very bottom of this page, the last person that comments in the next 24 hours, I'm going to come back, see the last person that commented, and they're going to get $100 in Drip, okay, in this specific token. And right now it is worth right around $64.42. Okay, so right now, and if you want to learn more about Drip, there's going to be a link below in the description of this video that will teach you more about what Drip is, how it works, so on and so forth. But essentially, you're getting 1% daily, return on investment up to 365%. So I'm getting 1% of this 50,633. So let's go ahead, let's pull up the trusty calculator, and let's do a little bit of math here. So we'll just do 50,000 to make it easy, times 1% daily, which is right around 500 bucks, of course. Pretty easy math. But there are taxes that occur with this to keep this moving strong through good and bad times. This has been around for about 9 months now, going on 10 months. So this is holding strong because of the tokenomics, because of the way that this is set up. And if this sounds very foreign to you, again, there's going to be a link in the description to teach you more about Drip and how it works. But there's this calculator that does all the math for me, minus taxes. And you can see here, I'm getting paid roughly $382.25. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add that down here to our passive income sheet here. So that's 382.18. Could probably have an Excel spreadsheet, but this works. So that's per day, by the way, in passive income that we're earning here on this income stream. And then we have the manor farm over here. And this is great because it's very much different than any miner that you would see out there. And again, I've got a video on the manor farm. You can check that out in the description below as well. But nonetheless, I've grown 2,266 plants. What does that mean? Well, what you could do in the Drip Liberation is you can create what's called LP tokens. So I could put like $27 of BUSD, click on supply. That's going to be equivalent to right around 1 BUSD Drip Pool token. Okay, an LP token is what it's called. Now, what we do is we actually stake these LP tokens and we earn rewards. So I've earned approximately I've grown approximately the amount of plants, which is also equivalent. It's 1-to-1. So 2,266 plants is 2,266 LP tokens. One LP token is 27 bucks, right? We acknowledge that. So if we take 27 times, and that was 2,266, that's going to be $61,182. And we actually get paid 3% daily on that. So if I do that times 3%, that is $1,835.46 per day that I'm making here in the manor farm. Exciting stuff. So we can add that here. So that is approximately $1,835.46 per day in the manor farm in passive income. And let's show you the last income stream, which is going to be elephant money. And by the way, before we jump over to elephant money, I can actually compound my earnings. So that $1,835 I'm making per day, what I can do is I can click on compound right here, and I can compound, which means that $1,835 can go to $2,000, then to $3,000, and to $5,000, so on and so forth. So I've got a strategy where I'll compound, I'll take profits. And again, that's for another time, that's for another video. But nonetheless, this is my second passive income stream during a bull or bear market. And what I can do is I can take the funds from like Drip Network, from like Manor Farms, take some of the profits and invest them into cryptocurrencies that I really think are promising, that I believe in. Like metaverse stuff is really, really big right now, and there's a lot of opportunity there. So that's my second passive income stream with crypto. The last one is called Elephant Money. And you can see that I've got approximately $17,366 of value in Elephant. Now, if we go back and I type in Elephant Money and we find the video about it, and it's going to be this one, right? Let me just go to our channel here, and let's go to videos, and you'll see this 8 days ago I posted this video. And I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to skip this ad because I want to show you where we were at with this. Okay, when I was in Elephant Money, roughly December 13th, 9 days ago, the value of my portfolio, I know this is really, really hard to see, and I wish I could zoom in on this, but it won't let me, was $9,896. Okay. Now the value of my portfolio was $17,367. Okay. Pretty cool. That's like a, almost a $10,000 gain, right around an $8,000, $7,000 to $8,000 gain that we've had here. And this is just by holding this token. Now, what you can do here, and again, I'll provide a video about Elephant Money below in great detail for you. But what we can actually do is we can mint what's called trunk, and we can produce rewards, kind of like Drip. So you have a reward system here, and then you have bonds, which is also a reward system. So I'm making passive income with both of these. I'm making 72% right here and 205% right here. Okay, so I mean, that's probably an extra $50, $60 per day in passive income. So if we were to, add this all up and pull out the trusty calculator, then we're looking at 382, I'm just gonna make this easy, 1835 plus 50, we're at roughly $2,267 per day. Pretty amazing. That's over $60,000 per month in passive income with cryptocurrency. Now, this is not financial advice. It should not be construed as financial advice. Of course, there is a risk when it comes to cryptocurrency. So, of course, always risk what you're willing to lose. In the crypto markets are somewhat volatile, but I do a lot of research on this stuff, and I'm a part of a mastermind group of people. Your network is your net worth, as they say. And I'm a part of a mastermind group of people that are influencers in this space that are able to get kind of a first mover's advantage, that know a lot of these developers and are able to speak with them personally. So if that's something that you kind of want to be a part of, then click the link below, join our Telegram group. We're providing a lot of value within that group. We're providing opportunities for you to get closer to us. So you have the opportunity to get involved with stuff like this and be the first before anybody else, because first mover's advantage is, of course, everything in a lot of opportunities. Not everything, but a lot of different crypto opportunities out there. So yeah, go ahead, join the Telegram group below. I hope you got tons of value from this video. I'm going to continue to update you guys week after week, if not week after week, month after month. I want to motivate you guys, inspire you guys that anybody can do this. You have to be willing to pretty much risk the biscuit to make the dough. You know, you're going to have to do that in this space. And you have to stick with things long term. You have to go with projects you really, really believe in. And we would love to help you do that. So again, not financial advice, but if you want to join our amazing community, click the link below in the description and check out our other resources. You'll be able to check out, Elephant Money below in the description, as well as Manor Farm and Drip Network. Okay. Keep you guys up to date with what's going on. This is Josh signing off from the DeFi guys. I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Take care.